Here is how to hide online status on Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can hide online status on Badoo. So let's start. First of all, open the Badoo app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you will come to the encounter section like this. Then after, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. Now tap on the settings icon on the top. Tap on account preferences. You will find the privacy option on the top. Tap and open it. Now you will find various options to enable or disable some features on the Badoo app. Among the options, you will also find show online status. Tap on it. Now in order to hide your online status on the Badoo app, you can simply turn off the toggle switch on the top. As you turn off the switch, your online status will not be displayed on Badoo. So in this way, you can hide online status on the Badoo app. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.